Hi everyone, blessed be. So I picked up this little frame from the charity shop and it only cost me, I think it was £1.49. If not, it was £1.99. It's one of the two. And it's this little cute frame with little roses and stuff on. Kind of like the colour as it is, so I haven't painted it yet. And it's got a plastic film for the glass. So what I did to turn it into a little mini travel scrying mirror is I painted the inside of the plastic with black acrylic paint, and then also painted the back with black acrylic paint as well. I thought I'd done a better job, but to be fair, that bit doesn't show up on the front because of the shape of the frame inside. So I left that overnight to dry, and then it was a case of just closing it and using it. But what I want to do first is I want to draw my little protection sigil on it first. So let me go and find my pen that I'm going to use. Okay, so let me just lock the screen so it doesn't keep zooming in and out. I've got my white pen here. I'm just going to... It does work. Right, okay. So let's do my protection sigil. So I'm going to... And I'm also going to put my pentagram on. And close that up, check it doesn't affect with the reflection. Nope. And then I'm going to shove this shut because it's a bit stiff. And put that in place like so. So now I have a little travelling scrying mirror. So if I want to, when I'm off out and about, like travelling, I can take this with me because it's small. So yeah, this gives me the chance to do a spot of scrying. It does work, like I can see my face in it, but you might not be able to see it on camera because of the lighting. But yeah, so that's one quick and easy way to make a scrying mirror. Obviously you could paint this as well. You could just spray paint it and have it whatever colour you like. I don't mind the sort of brassy colour. So, and then all I'd have to do is take that with me with a little candle with a little tea light. Anytime I wanted to do some scrying in the mirror. There you go, you can see it reflects now. And that means I've got an alternative divination method that I can use when I'm out and about travelling. It's nice and simple, nice and quick and cheap. Always go in the charity shops or thrift stores for a lot of your witchy items. You don't need to buy brand new stuff, and it's a lot cheaper to get secondhand stuff. The majority of the stuff I've got, I've either made or I've had from the thrift store or the charity shop. So it's definitely worth going in and exploring. I've got my lovely glass cup with like a rainbow effect on it that I use as an altar cup. That was from the charity shop. I got a lot of like offering things and little like bowls, and like my little cabinet that's got my crystal chips in. That was a thimble display case from the charity shop that I painted. Yeah, but yeah, the majority of like my bowls and decorative items and little things like mirrors and stuff are from charity shops. Obviously you just give them a good wash when you get them in, because like a lot of the time stuff in charity shops is what's sat in the cupboard getting dusty for like years in someone's house. So you just give them a wash, and then you can use them. Obviously if you're buying something like this to use as a scrying mirror, cleanse it first. So get it home, physically cleanse it with you know, detergent or whatever you're going to use, or some anti-bac wipes or something to make sure it's clean. Then what you need to do is spiritual cleanse it, so you can smoke cleanse it, sound cleanse it, whatever you want to do, and then use it for your own purposes. And as you can see, it works quite well. So that's a little tip on how to make little mini travel scrying mirror and where to get some nice cheap altar items from. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Blessed be.